Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Gravity Automotive, your go-to channel for all things cars, where we dive deep into the machines that move us. Today, we're stepping into the future of luxury with the all-new 2026 Range Rover Sedan. That's right, Range Rover, the kings of rugged SUVs, have finally entered the sedan arena, blending their legendary off-road heritage with sleek, on-road sophistication. If you've ever dreamed of a car that combines the opulence of a Rolls-Royce with the versatility of a Land Rover, this might just be it. I'm thrilled to break it all down for you, from its stunning design to its powerhouse performance, cutting-edge tech, and everything in between. Whether you're a tech geek, a performance enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates fine craftsmanship, stick around, because this sedan is redefining what luxury means in 2026. Let's start with the exterior, because first impressions matter, and this car nails it. The 2026 Range Rover Sedan boasts a sleek, elongated silhouette that's both elegant and commanding. Imagine the iconic Range Rover grille, but refined for sedan proportions. It's prominent yet understated, flanked by slim LED headlights that use advanced adaptive technology to light up the road like a personal spotlight, adjusting automatically to oncoming traffic for safer night drives. The body lines are aerodynamic, with subtle curves that flow seamlessly from the front to the rear, reducing wind resistance for better fuel efficiency and a quieter cabin. You'll notice the flush door handles that pop out when you approach, adding to that modern, minimalist vibe. Premium alloy wheels, available in sizes up to 22 inches, give it a planted stance, and the overall design mixes muscular hints, think slight fender flares, with refined chrome accents. It's not just pretty, it's practical too, with high-strength bumpers and protective side cladding that nod to Range Rover's adventure roots, making it capable of light off-road jaunts if you dare take a luxury sedan off the pavement. In terms of colors, options range from classic British racing green to bold metallics like sunset gold, ensuring it stands out in any valet line. Now slide inside, and you're enveloped in a world of pure indulgence. The interior is a masterclass in luxury craftsmanship, starting with premium leather upholstery that's soft to the touch and available in customizable shades. Hand-finished wood veneers and metal accents adorn the dashboard, which is clean and uncluttered. Minimal physical buttons mean everything's controlled via intuitive digital interfaces. The seats? They're ergonomic wonders, wide and plush with heating, cooling, and even massage functions to melt away stress on long drives. Rear passengers get treated like royalty with generous legroom and headroom, perfect for executives or families on the go. Multi-zone climate control lets everyone set their own temperature, and the ambient lighting system offers customizable colors to match your mood, soft blues for relaxation or warm ambers for evening cruises. Sound insulation is top-notch thanks to acoustic glass and advanced noise cancellation tech, turning the cabin into a serene bubble even on bustling highways. Storage is smart too, with hidden compartments and a spacious trunk that can swallow golf bags or weekend luggage without a fuss. It's like Range Rover took the comfort of their SUVs and distilled it into a more agile sedan form, creating a space that's as practical as it is posh. Under the hood, the 2026 Range Rover Sedan doesn't disappoint when it comes to performance. The base engine is a 3-liter turbocharged inline-six with mild hybrid assistance, pumping out around 395 to 400 horsepower and plenty of torque for effortless acceleration. Think 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds without feeling like you're in a rocket ship. It's smooth and refined, with the hybrid system kicking in seamlessly for electric-only driving at low speeds, which is great for city traffic and cuts down on emissions. For those wanting more punch, higher trims offer upgraded powertrains, including full hybrid options that blend petrol and electric power for even better efficiency, potentially hitting over 30 miles per gallon combined. The 8-speed automatic transmission shifts like butter, and drive modes let you tweak everything from eco for fuel sipping to dynamic for spirited handling. Suspension is a highlight. Its adaptive air setup absorbs bumps like they're not there, delivering that famous Range Rover floating ride while keeping body roll under check during corners. Steering is light and precise, making parking a breeze, yet it firms up at highway speeds for confident stability. And yes, it inherits some all-terrain smarts from its siblings, with available all-wheel drive and terrain response systems that can handle wet roads, gravel, or even light trails, unique for a sedan in this class.
Fuel economy is impressive for a luxury beast, and the mild hybrid tech recaptures energy during braking to boost efficiency without sacrificing power. Speaking of tech, this sedan is loaded with innovations that make driving feel futuristic, yet user-friendly. The centerpiece is a massive high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system up to 13.1 inches that handles everything from navigation to entertainment with smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Voice commands are powered by AI that learns your preferences over time, so saying, "Hey Range Rover, find me a coffee shop," feels natural. The digital instrument cluster behind the wheel displays real-time data like speed, battery levels in hybrids, and even augmented reality navigation overlays. Wireless charging pads keep your devices juiced, and the premium audio system, options include a Meridian setup with 19 speakers, delivers concert-quality sound. Heads-up display projects key info onto the windshield so you never take your eyes off the road. Connectivity is seamless with multiple USB ports and over-the-air updates that keep the software fresh. For families or tech lovers, rear seat entertainment screens are available, turning long trips into mobile theaters. Safety is where the 2026 Range Rover Sedan truly shines, wrapping you in a cocoon of protection. It comes standard with a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control that maintains your speed and distance in traffic, lane keeping assist to gently nudge you back if you drift, and blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alerts for safer lane changes. Automatic emergency braking can detect pedestrians, cyclists, or vehicles and stop the car if needed, while 360-degree cameras make parking this sizable sedan a cinch. The body structure is reinforced with high-strength steel and aluminum for crash protection, complemented by multiple airbags and electronic stability control. Adaptive headlights curve with the road for better visibility, and there's even a driver monitoring system that alerts you if it senses fatigue. In tests, it's expected to earn top safety ratings, giving peace of mind whether you're commuting or road tripping. What sets this sedan apart? Unique selling points. For starters, it's Range Rover's first true foray into sedans, bringing that unbeatable blend of British elegance and rugged capability to a segment dominated by German rivals like the Mercedes S-Class or BMW 7 Series. It offers SUV-like ride height and comfort in a more nimble package, ideal for urban dwellers who want luxury without the bulk. The hybrid options appeal to eco-conscious buyers, reducing your carbon footprint while delivering premium performance. Ownership perks include a comprehensive warranty, roadside assistance, and access to exclusive Range Rover experiences like off-road driving events. Priced in the premium segment, starting around $120,000 and climbing to over $200,000 for top trims, it's an investment in prestige and innovation. In wrapping up, the 2026 Range Rover Sedan is a game-changer, proving that luxury doesn't have to be one-dimensional. It's sophisticated, powerful, tech-savvy, and safe, all while honoring Range Rover's roots. If you're in the market for a sedan that elevates every drive, this is worth a test drive. Thanks for watching Gravity Automotive. Hit that like button if you're excited about this beast, subscribe for more reviews, and drop a comment. Would you trade your SUV for this sedan? Until next time, keep the gravity grounded and the adventures rolling.